Did you know that the first ever computer programmer was a woman? Ada Lovelace, an English mathematician in the 1800s, is considered the world's first computer programmer. She worked with Charles Babbage on his early mechanical computer, the analytical engine. Ada realized that the machine could do more than just calculations. It could follow sequences of instructions or algorithms. She even wrote the first algorithm intended for a machine. Her visionary ideas laid the groundwork for modern computing. And today, we owe much of computer science to her pioneering work. So, the next time you code, remember Ada.